reorganization that you will be choosing here? VMS reorg. Okay, now see, there are various options that has come up while creating a supervisory organization. Okay, what is the name that you want to give it here? And the main thing is the subtypes. Okay, see, you can either create in terms of a company, you can create in terms of a whatever subtypes you can choose here. Okay, your supervisory organization will be created accordingly. Now I don't want to create a company. Okay, I just wanted to create a division, or maybe you can choose the department also. Okay, now what is the name I will give here? The name that I will give here is the one that I have chosen here, that is the VMS code. Okay, any code if you want to give. Now why a code has been given in organization, creating supervisory organization?
When converting from old system to new system, use the legacy code, probably.
Yeah, that is also one of the reason, and also, like, it is always better to search with the help of code, okay, instead of typing the full, because this is just a dummy thing that we are typing it, right? When you
Correct.
have the code in place, you can just put the code instead of putting the whole structure or the putting the whole name over there. Okay, that is also one of the reason that we include code. Again, this is again an optional. Okay, so you can either choose this, or you can choose, in case if you just want to do it, you can just put it as 2025. Okay, if you just put it like this, that means 2025 will be prefixing your VMS code. Okay, I don't want that to be, I don't want it to be like that again. But guys, you have to be very very careful while creating a supervisory organization, because that is again something, like, that is the layout that you are creating it for all your uh, I mean, the next level work that has to be done. Okay, for all the future work that is required, your supervisory organization primary structure. So you have to create as whatever as per the client's requirement. Include manager or leader in the name. This is also an option. Okay, you can either choose as well. Okay, but I don't want. We don't have a manager as of now here. I will not choose this type. What is the subtype? I have just told you about it. I will probably go ahead and choose the division one. If you are creating the supervisory organization for a project, maybe, okay, then you can choose the option project here. Choose maybe the division. Visibility. What is meant by visibility? Visibility is nothing but who is able to view your supervisory organization. Okay, see, again there are four options. Okay,
Yeah,
one means
everyone.
yeah. So everyone means whoever, like, you want your supervisory organization to view it. Okay, so in that case you choose everyone. Role assignees. Okay, this is the second tab. You go, there is something called the roles who are able to view your, or whoever is linked to your supervisory organization. How many roles are assigned here? See, there are two roles which are been assigned here, that is the owner and the hierarchy owner. So guys, you don't have to worry too much about the roles here. This again I will be discussing the security chapter. Okay, as of now, just try to understand that whatever roles you are defining it for your supervisory organization. Okay, now if you just want your supervisory organization to be visible by your role assignees, in that you will be choosing the second option. Okay, now again, the role assignees and members, whoever are the members to the existing role. Okay, you can restrict it to that. And the role assignees of current and superiors. Okay, so this basically means that whoever are your current role assignees, they those people, as well as their superior or their the managers. Okay, the plus one manager, they will be able to view the supervisory organization. Okay, so as of now, I just want everyone to view my supervisory organization, I will select everyone. Meant by external URL? Any idea, guys? What is meant by external URL?
Company
Company
website.
website.
Yes, it can be a company website. Okay, it can be a company website, or any external URL that the your project wants you to link your supervisory organization with. Okay, but ideally, mostly it is the company website. Now, what is the primary location?
Primary operating
Yes,
business.
simple thing. Yes, active location or the primary location where your supervisory organization is located here. Now I have to choose a primary location here. Okay, see, this is again a star. There is something called the star option which is given. You have to mandatorily choose it, without which you won't be able to create your supervisory organization. So we can choose any of the locations which has been given here. Let me see if I can find something called Boston. Okay. So maybe I want my company to be situated located in Boston. Okay. So I'll just choose Boston over here. Okay. Tab that is called the organizational assignment. Okay. Now this is the
Yeah,
yes.
sorry to interrupt you. Only mandatory for the Boston. Yeah, we can choose any location. It's depend upon us.
You can choose any location. I'm just
Okay.
giving you an example here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I just want my organization, that is the VMS Corp, to be located in Boston. Okay. This
Okay.
is again, I forgot to write here. Maybe I will write here again. Okay. So this is something which I wanted to be Boston, because I mean, I know basically how what exactly it will have. I mean, the codes and other things, so it becomes convenient for me to create the location in future. Okay.
Technically,
But
that
again,
location, primary location is a
sorry.
reporting purpose, right? Nothing to do with any financials, correct? It's just a reporting location. Is that right? The primary location.
See, it can be used for financials also, right? It based on the reports that you are pulling out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The location is again very, very important. It can be used for financials also.
Okay. Understood.
Okay.
No, and in this
Now,
case, in this arg I'm telling about,
you're talking
and
about the organizational assignment region one or the location one?
the primary location, whatever the primary location, which is nothing but a just just to tell, hey, this is arg is operating from this location. That's all it is, right? The
Yes,
primary
that is
location.
what yes, that is what it basically defines for. Okay. That is what your supervisory organization is. Okay. So wherever you are creating, wherever the I mean every company has to be need to have a location, right? So this is the reason that we are choosing this. Okay. Now there comes the third assignment, the third page where I'm choosing, that is the organizational assignment here. Okay. Now you can see, you can link it to the various types of organizations that we have seen in the picture. This is the company, cost center, grant, growth, acquisition, etc. These are the various types of organization, guys, that you can actually create it in Workday. Okay. But as of now, we are just not focused into there are some systems. Okay. It's not possible for us to learn and understand about all the 60s. So basically, I'll just restrict ourselves to the main ones, okay, whichever is necessary and required for understanding. Okay. Now, whatever company, cost center, or region that you have created, okay, you can link it. You can link your supervisory organization in this tab. Okay. Now, I'll show you how to link it. Maybe it is again, this is again a not a mandatory tab, and you can just leave it like that. And once we create the dedicated organization types, we will be able to link it. But I'm just showing you as of now to make you guys understand. Okay. Now our supervisory organization is created. Sorry. See, there is an error. We have not chosen the staffing model. Okay. So this is what I have explained you in the diagram also. We need to assign a staff when we create a supervisory organization. I will just choose position management as of now, and I will click it as OK. Okay, now our VMS Corp Supervisory Organization has been created. Any question you have, guys?
It's clear.
Yeah. Now I want to create the various departments under VMS Corp.